Hi, I'm Rob from iTech Pickers. I wanted to make a small video to show you some of the things that I'm going to put in my eBay store, Canada's online flea market. There's a link to my store right below the video in the description. Here, because I found a bunch of Lionel Trains accessories. For one thing, there was the 961 School Set, the Plasticville School. It's I would say nearly complete, but it's still missing a few things, like the whole white thing here on top of the school. As you can see, the American flag here is broken. It's been broken from the mass. There are some signs here. I think it's complete. I think there are 12 signs in total. One of them is missing the base. There are 6 trees, which I believe is correct, according to the picture anyway. The 2 school buses, the orange buses, marked Plasticville. 2 benches, and the school itself is the parts, the snap-on parts are all there. So the 961 Plasticville School Set, and basically it all came in that box. This Lionel Trains box, as you can see, like an investment in happiness. And basically the box that it came in, it was all taped up, so I didn't even know what was inside. Well, I knew it was like a Lionel train, but I didn't even take the time to look inside the box. I just bought it just like that, and I'm really happy with my purchase. Obviously, some of the things inside I'm going to sell in my store. Now, as you can see, there is a Lionel train track. There's a lot of tracks in there that could be used to build a big circuit. Now the problem, I do have the power supply. The problem is that I will show you what the problem is, and here's the instructions, and there's a good amount of tracks. I could build a really big track with that. So that was in the box. So here's the deal, okay? There were some wagons with the tracks. Here's the gondola with the canisters, the caboose. There's another gondola, and the coal car. But it's missing the most important part, which is the locomotive. And of course, I can't make the train work without the locomotive. So I think I'm gonna keep these parts and the tracks, and I'll wait until I get myself a good working locomotive, and I will build it and make a video out of it. So until then, I'll just keep these parts. I'm not going to sell them, but there's something else I want to show you that I am likely going to put in my store very soon. So this is the Lionelville board game. It came with game pieces here. And this game is unpunched, basically, because the pieces are still there on the side. They haven't been punched. And of course you got this little arrow, and you do put the pieces on the track. and this is from 1959, and it's pretty rare. It's hard to find. This board game is hard to find. It's just a piece of cardboard, and you've got some locomotives in the back, and I believe these things came with the board, with the game board. These are Lionel cards. So you've got cards for different kinds of locomotives, and there was like a good amount of these cards in the box with the game. So I'm probably gonna sell the cards, sell the games, and I'm gonna keep the train so I can build a track when I do find a locomotive for it. So there's more instructions for the that's the instructions for the locomotive, basically. But it was not in the box. It's possible that it was broken. And here are some these are billboards, Lionel billboards. They're about from 1959-58. So I'm gonna sell those billboards separately. They're not as rare as the cards in the board game. So guys, this is all I wanted to talk about today. If you like my videos, just subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.